Hello, this is Ting Ting from GuanJing Method, and today we will be learning a movement that is connecting us with the energy of abundance. And this does not only mean financial wealth or material things, but it is the abundance that we feel for life, our ability to give and receive the gifts of life. So let's get started. We're going to take our left foot forward and our right foot back, hip width apart. And this basic form is called the stance of the gods, and it works with the ability to calibrate our giving and receiving energy that we are sharing with the world. And so from here, the left palm is face up, and then the right palm is face out. And the upper body is going to go like this, just elbows in and elbows out. And then the feet are just going to simply bend forward the front knee and then straighten it as the back knee bends slightly. And so this movement actually came to me in Egypt. And I was standing in front of these statues, and it asked me, the statues said, this is this gift that I want to share with you, to the rest of the world who's ever watching and who's ever connected to your energy. And so what we're meditating on is first, the energy moves into the left palm. We breathe energy in through the left palm into our heart. The exhale, energy out of the heart, out of the right palm, sending it out. All right, so let's try that first. As we bend the left knee forward, energy is breathed in, straightening, elbows in, exhaling out through the left or right palm. Breathing in energy through the left palm. Exhale, right palm. And now directing your awareness into the left as you exhale, now awareness out through the right. And once you get comfortable with this, you can close your eyes. Breathing that energy into the heart and exhaling it out of the heart to share with the world. The inhale, we breathe in the beautiful potential into the heart, and we exhale. Our heart's energy is sent out into the world. Very nice. And this is most powerfully done when outside in direct sun. And it doesn't have to be long. You can stop if you like. Just make sure that your bare feet are connected to the earth if you can. You're in direct alignment with the sun, and you can feel the sun's light hitting into the palm, and you're sending that back out into the space that surrounds you. Give it a shot. I hope that you connect with the energy of abundance through it, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.